Well, I'll be a ball. Here we go. We got
a pair of
oh
legs.
yeah, he's doing it backwards now. So last video we worked with the legs here and stuff. The front and then back. What he did here was did a little bone stuff, right? And then then did a little bit of this here, do a little bit of that, without any like guide. I don't think. Yeah, no, he didn't do any guides. But for this one, yet again, I don't think he did any guides. But I don't know. It looks pretty cool. I think it's like a little foreshortened from here to there, right? A little foreshortened here as well. If you ask me, the hips are way too small. Either that or this part here is way too big. So yeah, it was just a little bit of studying. Now he's gonna do a backwards kind of thing. I have to watch this so I can measure, like, you know what I'm saying?
From behind. It's really something that drawing comics and really I think drawing designs or anything you won't encounter as much. So you want to, when you're studying, really try to concentrate on it because it's something that can become a weakness very easily. Anything that you don't encounter as much.
Yeah, he's doing a time lapse instead of doing what he's been doing. All right, wow, we're like halfway through the video, so let's actually stop talking and actually get this done.
You're really, I think, drawing from behind. It's really something that drawing comics and really I think drawing designs or anything you won't encounter as much. So you want to, when you're studying, really try to concentrate on it.
Too much concentration. I have no clue why I did that. I don't know why I said that, really. To be honest with you. Concentration. Come on. Got to the concentration. No, can't say that. That sounds a little too similar to something else. Okay.
Because it
can't do that now, down there. YouTube is a little goofy. I'll be honest with you. Oh my gosh, big old leg! Look at that. I think I get to the concentration center. Concentrating. I must go there and concentrate hard. Come on. We go to a place to concentrate. Come on. What is wrong with you? You're the only one who smokes stogies. You said in a privacy room. Why would my woman will... What is it? Why would she want me to get off of stogies? No, I broke the freaking... Dang it. I don't need to find a private room to smoke a stogie unlike you. This is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Back with another art studying video. Stupid. Jingle all the way. You are one ugly mother. I want to pass it out, bro. This is funny. Her father introduced me to stogies. Oh man, that's awesome. Her father introduced me to stogies. Why she say like she knows better than her father? You think she knows better than her father? What do we have here?
something that
Because
can be
I think he's going directly into the what is that?
weakness very easily. You need
Oh, that's right. Actually, right here. And then when I get dizzy, bro, come on. I don't know where that leads to, but it goes to Narnia. We're going. Let's go. You ever want to go to Narnia? Never looked at a dresser, cabinet, closet deal the same way. Ever. Is this thing... This is not where it needs to be, is it? Oh no. I might have to like flip it or something. Let's do this.